Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along a highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Maruti to stop production at Gurugram, Manesar plants for 2 days. India's largest car maker Maruti Suzuki will not produce any passenger vehicles at its Gurugram and Manesar plants in Haryana on September 7 and 9. The company's installed manufacturing capacity at the two plants stands at around 15 lakh units per annum this year. The decision comes after Maruti reported a nearly 33% decline in sales at 106,413 units in August. Ola, Uber may not be big factor in auto sector slowdown. Maruti Suzuki Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Shashank Srivastava has said Ola and Uber may not be a big factor in the current slowdown. He said that people in India still purchase cars with an aspirational aspect. People may use Ola and Uber to go to offices, but still they buy a vehicle for the weekend outings with the family, he said.